Welcome back to KBB. Now, did you know over a lifetime people will spend an average of 90,000 hours on the job? That's almost a third of your life. Well, now a study from Future Collective reveals spending an extended time in a poor or unstimulating workplace can have a long-term impact on your mental health. Future Collective says one simple way to change the mood and up productivity is colour. Colour psychology can trigger positive moods in customers and your staff. Kate, have you ever used sort of colours to motivate your staff or you and make you more time sensitive or focused?
I definitely use it in my calendar. So I am a morning person. I do my hard, impactful revenue generating tasks in the morning. And so I batch that out and colour code that bright red.
Right.
Red is a stimulating, intense colour. So I definitely use it that way. In the afternoons, when I want to do more process-driven, quieter work, I batch that out maybe in a light blue or a yellow, which are more relaxing colours. So I definitely use those colours to stimulate my brain.
What about ergonomics too, in the workplace in terms of mental and physical well-being?
Yeah, it's really important. We need to be comfortable. We need to be working in a way that we're not going to hurt our bodies. But it's also around that productivity piece, around making sure that your team are in an environment where they can really prosper. So it's absolutely important. But again, get the experts in, have a chat, find out what's going to work best for your team.
Yeah. We've got to reinvent our workplaces, don't we?
We do.
Kate, great advice.